We are back officially with a really hot stroll.
Hey.
Don't put it on there because your chain gonna be making all that noise.
Oh Lord, now I gotta hold the mic. I'm doing.
Hopefully, I'm not talking too loud. What?
Yeah, he is talking too loud.
Just hold the mic.
Okay.
Anywho, all right. So we're gonna get your hands on. We're going to actually go through the instructional for this dance. All right. We ain't gonna take too much time because it's simple. So let's hurry up and get it done. And when you learn it, make sure you put some stank on it when you see us.
Once you get it.
Once you get it, though. All right. So start off.
All right.
Turn around.
My bad.
All right. So the dance is gonna start off. We're gonna be like rocking. 2, 3,
Right
4,
first.
5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. The song gonna say get down. When it says get down, you should be getting ready to start. All right. So it starts off like this. 1, 2, slide going up. 1, 2, slide going up. 1, 2, slide. Last time. 1, 2, slide. So you're going up with it, okay?
And this ain't a circle dance. It's a stroll. You got to follow the leader.
But make sure the leader is strong.
Even though you might be in a circle at some point, but you got to follow the leader.
Make sure they're strong, though, because, you know, they might take you the wrong direction. All right, so after you do that, going up, you're going to go into a V step, up and back.
Right foot
so
first.
Right foot further. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, so let's put it together from the top. 5, 6, 7, let's go. And rock and slide. Take it up. And slide. Or you can step. You don't have to slide if you want to.
Slide.
But make that step little stanky. V step. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. From here, you're going to do a pivot turn, 2 of them. So pivot turn, pivot turn. So it's going to be pivot turn, right?
Yep.
We good on that. I shouldn't have to teach you a pivot turn. If I have to teach you a pivot turn,
learn this on the floor.
You need to be going to my other instructional of how to do a pivot turn. All right. After the pivot turn, you're going to do a pimp walk. Just 2 steps. 1, 2, 3, 4, right? From here, you're going to walk it out. 5, 6, 7, 8.
And you going to put it all together so they know what
I just gave them the 2 pimp steps first. And then
pimp walk and walk up 4.
Yeah.
Okay.
All right, so let's start from the top.
Move back a little bit so he has some.
Thanks. I don't want my head cut off.
I know, yeah. So if the head cut off, it's his fault.
It's her fault.
You supposed to mark where you supposed to go.
You ain't say that. Here you go. 5, 6 from the top. Let's go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8.
You know, you
1,
sliding.
2, 3, 4, 5, 6. V step. Let's go. And a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Pivot turn. Here we go. Pivot pimp walk going in.
Pimp walk.
5, 6, walk it out. Here we go. And a 1, 2, 3, 4. All right. Now, when you walking out.
You making some big steps too.
Big steps. You taking it all the way. Where you going, Dre?
I'm just letting them
That's
know.
how far you got to go, though.
I'm just letting them know how far they got to go.
You got to go.
Ain't no little stops.
No little steps.
We trying to get some steps
If
going.
somebody in front of you taking too long, go around it. So,
bye. Oh,
yeah. So after you walk it all up, so you're going to be 1, 2, 3, 4.
Whoa.
Then you're going to 1.
Oh, yeah. Push.
2.
I'm talking about dig.
3, 4. And if you can get low.
Bam.
Bing. Bow. Bam.
Bam.
Look at that. Oh, sorry. All right. So after you do that around, bringing it around town, you're going to swing to the right and to the left. That finished that little thing. Okay.
We almost finished.
So from the top. 5, 6, 7. Let's go. And a 1, 2, slide up. 4 and slide up.
Out.
And slide.
Out.
V step. Let's go. 1, 2 of them.
4,
5. Pivot turn.
Pivot turn.
Pivot. Pimp walk. Here we go. 5, 6. Walk it up. Let's go. 1, 2. We're gonna bring it around town and boom, boom, boom. Swing the hips right and left. Okay. Last part of the dance.
Last part.
Now, just so you know, when we do that whole thing, if you're doing the stroll, you represent the stroll, you represent the A, you can throw the A sign up. How the A sign look, babe?
Can't do it. Got the mic in hand.
See, they ain't gonna know what the A sign look. Put down. Yeah, let's go. Bam. Bam.
It's your fault for telling me to hold the mic.
All right, so you're gonna do that.
To represent. It's an A stroll.
Yeah, so if you're trying to shout out the A, that's when you do that, right? Anywho, the last part of the dance is called the giddy up. It's not what the step called. We just say that because that's what it sounds like it says
in the music.
in the music. So it's 1 and 2, 3 and 4, 5 and 6, 7 and 8. 1 and 2, 3 and 4, 5 and 6, 7 and 8.
And back to the top.
And then you start the whole dance over again.
See how easy that is?
All right. So on that last one, you can't go up. So you just out and in on the last one. Okay. So we're gonna walk through one more time the whole dance, and then you just start all over from the top. 5, 6, 7, let's go. And a 1, 2 and slide. Hey, 3, 4 and slide. Hey, and slide. V step, there you go. And 3, 4, 5. Pivot turn, pivot. Pimp walk. Hey, 5, 6, walk it out. Let's go. And a bring it down and pump it.
Ow.
Here are the hips.
Right.
Giddy up. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
Bye, y'all.
6, 7. Start all over. And slide. And out. And slide. Out. And slide.
And out.
V step.
And
Pivot turn.
pivot turn. And pivot
Bring it on back.
And pimp. And walk.
Walk it out. And walk it on. That hand and touch it. And then doing too dang much. So they here. Giddy up. She's doing too much, y'all. She ain't supposed to do all that. Anyway, so that's the dance. A.Y.E. A really hot stroll. Okay.
Really
So we're gonna do it. The music. We're gonna do it. The music
on a separate video.
Yeah. So
run it back.
YouTube be tripping sometimes.
So that way they won't mute this instructional. So
run it back.
And come dance with us with the music.
All right.
And let's go. Y'all got this.